The Highland Tollbooth Kirk was constructed in the 1840s as a magnificent Gothic Revival church, designed to accommodate Gaelic-speaking congregations and the General Assembly of the Church of Scotland. Today, the building has been completely transformed into The Hub, a multifunctional festival centre that houses the main ticket office, information desk, and event spaces for the Edinburgh International Festival each August. Its iconic 240-foot spire remains the highest architectural point in central Edinburgh, watching over the Royal Mile as it fills with street performers, pop-up stages, and thousands of fringe visitors. Inside, staff are coordinating concerts, talks, and cross-genre performances, while outside, the city's wider festival circus swirls around it. Each summer, Edinburgh's festivals draw thousands of artists and performers from across the world, packing the city with comedy, theatre, music, and spoken word shows on an astonishing scale. For visitors, that means you can wander from venue to venue and encounter everything from experimental theatre in a tiny back room to big-name comedians on major stages, all within walking distance of the Hub. Parked right outside on the terrace of the Hub is the Fish and Frites van. This vintage food truck specialises in traditional Scottish fish suppers, using sustainably caught seafood from the Fife coast, offering festival goers a quick, local bite between shows.